What up, tubers? I am on my way to Blackman Cycles to meet up with the crew. I'm running a little late here. Hopefully everyone's still there. If not, that would suck. I think, fuck, everyone left without me. But I heard a bike go this way. Looks like I got here just in the nick of time. All right, we're good, we're good. There you go, Jeremy. Hell yeah, dog, thug life. Nice smooth action right there. Shit's legitness. I wonder if that's one of those fuel injected two-stroke KTMs. I can't tell how new it is, but I think it's a 15. I'm not sure. I might have to ask. Gotta love the ZX10 wheelies. That joint is fresh. The gauge on those ZX10 is so sick. It's got that big arc where the RPMs go up. That shit is so nice. Yeah, so we're at 500 members now, fellas. That's awesome. Glad to hear that. Can't wait to get my t-shirt. What's up with some stickers though? Who in this group is controlling the sticker situation? I see them on, like, everyone posting pictures like, oh, check out my sticker and shit. I don't have one. And y'all have a couple different ones. Oh shit. I just messed with all of my GoPro settings. So I'm trying to get better like color saturation and mess around with like the brightness, because I'm always out and it's always bright. And I don't have a UV filter for my lens, which I'm trying to get. I got one for my HD camera and a microphone. I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. I'm not on a super wide angle. I'm on medium, high sharpness. I just wanted to change it up. I wanted to get a different quality of my video. I'm also doing 60 frames a second in lieu of 30. Oh man, we gotta help a brother out. His bike might be stuck. They're good?
I guess the person who crashed, they got a ride or something. I saw it and I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, whoever was riding the bike left. So, got a ride from someone.
Yeah.
Nice, slow, controlled wheelie action with no front brake. Damn, man, how are you riding your bike with no front brake, dog? I wanna know what happened. That is just fucking crazy. Damn, that was a sick ass shot. Sounded like a gunshot. Scooter power! Gotta get me some wheelie action. Shitty wheelie.